In this video, I'll show you how you can download Canva on your laptop or PC. So first open up a web browser and then go ahead and type in canva.com and you'll be then taken to the Canva website. Once you're here, you do need to log in the top right hand corner, and once you're logged in and on the Canva dashboard, you can go to your profile icon in the bottom left hand corner. Once you've done that, you'll see get the Canva apps. Click on that. From here you can see we can download Canva for Windows, so click download Canva for Windows. You will need Windows 10 or later. That will then start the download, and you can then find this in your downloads folder. So here is the exe file for Canva, which we can go ahead and open. Once you've done that, it will then install Canva to your computer, and in seconds Canva will open. We can then click login through browser and then click yes, continue to Canva app and open Canva. And there you go, we're now in the Canva app. We've now downloaded it to our laptop or computer.